Good day, students. Today I want to solve problem that involve determinants of a matrix. Okay, what you need to do is to analyze your question. You are picking t raised to power minus 4 first, t minus 4. Is that okay? Open brackets. To cancel this out, when you are taking it horizontally and vertically, to cancel like this. Don't forget we have positive, negative, positive. We have t minus 4. If you are left with this t plus 1, 4, 1, 1, t minus 2, plus minus 0, open bracket. When you are picking this 0, to cancel this out. Is that okay? Vertically and horizontally, you are left with minus 1, 3, 1, t minus 2, plus 0, open bracket. You are left with, when you are picking this, to go like this and go like this, you are left with these two, minus 1, 3, t plus 1, 4. So what you are left with equals to 0, creating to 0. You now have t minus 4, open bracket. You are multiplying this first and cross it by this. This one comes first, that diagonal, t plus 1 multiplied by t minus 2, okay, minus, open bracket, that's 4 multiplied by 1, minus 0, open bracket, minus 1 multiplied by t minus 2, minus 3 times 1, plus 0, open bracket, minus 1 times 4, minus 3 times t plus 1 equals to 0. Don't forget, because we are using 0 to multiply everything here, it will turn everything here to 0. Turn everything here to 0. You're using 0 to multiply it. You are left with this, which is t minus 4, t times t squared, t times minus 2t, plus 1 times t plus t, 1 times minus 2, minus 4 times 1, that's minus 4, equals to 0. You have t minus 4. Now this one is t squared minus 2 plus t, minus 2t plus t, that's minus t, minus 2 minus 4, that's minus 6, bracket equal to 0. Now let's factorize this. Factorize that. In that case, you have t squared. Let's factorize it. Now we have t squared minus t minus 6 equal to 0. Now, what are the two values you can multiply together that will give you minus 6? Why do you get minus 6? The constant, you are multiplying the constant here. The coefficient of the t squared. You are multiplying the coefficient of the t squared with the constant minus 6, which is minus 6. Now you now think of the value after using the coefficient here. If you have 2 here, you multiply with the minus 6, you write it down. You now look for the value that you can multiply together that will give you the value you have, and when you are adding it together, it will give you what you have at the middle. But in this case, you have minus 6. You now think of two values. When you multiply it, it will give you minus 6. When you add it together, it give you minus t, and it is 2 multiplied by minus 3. Since you're having negative here, I make sure that the negative is on the higher value, that when you now add it together, it will give you negative, which is minus 6. When you add it together, 2 plus minus 3 give you minus 1, which is minus 1t. Now come here and write t squared. Trying to express this, t squared plus 2t minus 3t. You are replacing it with this. You are replacing this one with this. Now 3t minus 6 equals to 0. You are factorizing it. What's common? T is common. You have t plus 2 minus 3 is common. 2 can go in 6 also. T minus times minus, negative and negative as positive. 3 goes in 6, 2 equals to 0. T minus 3. T, when you are factorizing this, you must make sure that the two that are in the bracket must be the same. Plus 2 equals to 0. You can now bring it together with this. We only factorize this. Okay, you now have t minus 4, t minus 3 to replace this, t plus 2 equals to 0. Now t minus 4 equals to 0, t minus 3 equals to 0, or t plus 2 equals to 0. Now collect the like terms. T equals to 0 plus 4, t equals to 0 plus 3, or t equals to 0 minus 2. Therefore, t equals to 4, 3, or minus 2. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.